a little quick unboxing slash review. Clamps. Clamps are something we all have a buttload of if we're happy. We don't need those there. I have a lot of little clamps right here at the bench. Just basic, squeezy clamps. I have pipe clamps. I have F clamps. I have even more little ones on this cart that was supposed to be a get rid of the clamps off the bench cart that got overloaded, and I have more clamps than the bench could hold. Anyway, there's a lot of clamps, and they all have kind of their different purposes. Most of them are using to clamp materials together, structurally, strong. There's one exception of my clamps, and that's these little itty bitty babies. These, it's got glue on it, came from Taytools, and I absolutely loved them. They were, they were stupid cheap. They were like $5, I think. And I generally use them for this kind of thing. Now, I put these mats down to keep the glue from getting all over my bench as much. There's still glue on the bench, but it helps. I'm a slob, I know it. I use these sometimes just to hold this down because it likes to move. They're tiny. They're cheap. I don't really want one of these big ones. For one, they get in the way, the extension gets in the way. They're just big and bulky. These are also great on drill presses, holding a jig on a miter box, or holding a small piece on a miter box. I can clamp it to the fence and just feel a little secure. I don't want a big, heavy-duty, super strong clamp. The problem is the only place I've been able to find these at a reasonable price, let me rephrase that, was Taytools, and it doesn't seem like they're making them anymore. I haven't been able to even find them. They used to be listed in their website, and now they're not even listed anymore. They were always back ordered or were out, and I haven't even seen them listed anymore. I didn't do a deep search, so they could still be there. I hope they bring them back because I really love these. They're great, again, for the little quick hold down, lightweight, small, cheap. They're not made to clamp for gluing. They're not going to do it. Okay, don't think they're for gluing or clamping crooked boards together. They don't have enough strength for that. I have found that Irwin makes a set, but the Irwins are really expensive, and they generally come with a regular spring clamp or something like that in a kit, and it's really expensive. It's like $29, I think. I'll have to look it up. I'll do a little window somewhere. They've always been really expensive, and I never see them on sale. Even when they were on sale, they were just still kind of pricey, and I don't need a kit of them. I just want one or two of these little clamps. So anyway, Irwin makes them. They're expensive. Taytools carried them. Another one that carries them is Rockler. They have their own. I don't think they're quite as small, but we're going to find out because I bought some. Now, these are still kind of expensive, but they go on sale pretty regularly. I got these for $19 a piece, and it's a box of 4 for $19. That's pretty cheap. They're normally, I think, 26 or 27, 29, something like that. Again, I'll put up a link. I don't think they're as tiny as the Taytool ones are. I do think they're probably a little stronger. Again, I don't care about them being a super strong clamp for clamping. I just want it for that quick hold something in position kind of thing. I don't want it to be necessarily to be a clamping force. So let's see what you get. Again, these are kind of expensive a lot of times too. I don't know. I'll have to look again. I know I've been put off by the price, but I actually ordered these a while ago. And just my life has been busy, and So I never got around to opening. They do take a little while because I wasn't paying extra for shipping, and the free shipping was stupid slow. They are pretty small. That's nice. So they have one in a display in the front of the box and then 3 in the box. You get 4. It was $19. They seem to work fine. They're a basic, everyday, F-style quick release squeeze clamp. They are about the same size as the Rockler. As the Taytools. A little thicker in the body, which is okay. These slide a little bit smoother, but these are also old. I've had these a while, so they're kind of broken in. They're just a little clamp. Now, from what I understand, you can unscrew these, and both of them you can, and flip it around so you can make an expander. They're not strong enough to really support anything, I don't think. The rod on the Taytools is a little beefier. I don't know, $19. I'm going to say, and again, I'm just looking at these as a open the box at the moment. These are going to be alright. These will do what I need them to do. I still think I prefer these. These are a lot lighter. The rod, I don't know if you can tell there, is a lot beefier, like a lot thicker this way. They're about the same this way, but it's a lot thicker on the Taytools this way. The Taytools body is a lot lighter, and definitely the whole unit is thinner. These don't release as well. They work, but as you can see, I'm having a little fight with them. I think it's just that one. Doesn't seem to have any spring in it. These just work better. It's an obvious, you can hear it. There's an obvious snap when it releases. There is here too, but it just doesn't. I have a feeling this will break in over time. It's already getting. It's a little clamp. That's all I'm going to use it for. I'm not going to test pressures. I'm not going to test, whether it works better or how much, strength it's got at gripping. All I want it for is holding this down or temporarily holding something so I can drill it on a drill press without having to sit there and hold like 8 different things. Or if I'm assembling something, I can hold 2 pieces together to see if they're going to fit in pre-assembly, to make sure I made something square or straight or anything, or to just, hold a board up. God, you could even use them as a foot. If you put a board in here, you clamp it down, you can use it so it's standing up so you can hold it in place. Just little rinky-dink stuff. I love these for that. They are not, again, something I would use for gluing pieces together. You could. I could definitely see this having a little more strength than a spring clamp, but not really what I bought them for. If it happens and I could use it for that, I may, but that's not its purpose. So, upon unboxing, I still prefer these. These will do. Of the two, I'll take the Taytools. Would I buy these again? Sure. I may buy more of them. Because I can't get these. It's that simple. Other than that, you know, if you're walking in a Rockler store, if you happen to be lucky enough to have a Rockler, you know, brick and mortar store and they're on sale, I would still recommend grabbing a set for that little rinky-dink stuff if you do that kind of work. Not everyone does that kind of work. If you're building big, huge pieces of furniture, these might be useless to you, you know. But for me, I use them all the time. So there's my quick unboxing review of the Rocklers and comparing them to the Taytools.